Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today in this video, I will explain how to do ratio in the simple way. Alright. Let's say I give you 200, okay? In the ratio 1, 4. So how to do it? Okay, now I prefer to do like this method, okay? So you put 1 here, okay, and 4. So here is a total, okay? So let's say I put here is a, here is a B, right? So this part is total, okay? So 1 plus 4, you will have here 5, alright? But you already have here 200. Now, 5 times what equals to 200? Okay, so definitely here is 40. Okay, if here is 40, so here also you must time is 40. So here also you must time is 40. Alright. So now 1 times 40, you will have 40. 4 times 40, you will have 160. So you will have all the answer here. If the question asks you about what is the value for B, so you will have straight away 160. If the question asks you about A, you straight away have 40. So I prefer to do this kind of methods. So you just calculate one time, but you get all answer from here. Alright? So now we proceed the next one. Okay, so let's say I put here in the ratio 3, 7, okay, 50. So 50 means our total here. So you straight away do 3, 7. So total 3 plus 7, you will have 10, correct? So you know here is 50. So 10 multiply with what number here, you will have 50. So definitely you will times 5, correct? So if here you multiply with number 5, the whole area you must multiply 5. So 5 times 3, you will have 15. 7 times 5, you will have 35. Okay, so see, when 15 plus 35, you will have 50. Okay, easy? Alright, later I will give you a problem solving question, alright, but not right now. I will give you straightforward question. So let's say I give you a ratio 1, 1, 4, okay, so the total amount is 300. Okay, same thing also. 11 here, 4. So 11 plus 4, the total will be 15, correct? Alright. So now, okay, you know here is 300, correct? So 300 you divide by 15, okay? So you will have 20. So that means 15 times 20, you will have 30 here, alright? So now, if here times 20, here also you must multiply with 20. Here also must multiply with 20, alright? So now, 4 times 20, you will have 80. So 11 times 20, you will have 220. See? Easy, right? Okay, so we proceed. Next one. Okay, let's say I give you like this one. So ratio 2, 3, but put here 6x. So same thing also, 2, 3. So the total 2 plus 3, okay, here means you have to put plus, okay? So 2 plus 3, you will have 5 here, alright? So now, okay, So see, 6 and x, right? So 6x. So now, 2 times what here? You have 6. So definitely you have to multiply with 3. So here also 3 and here also 3. So 5 times 3, 15. So what is the value for x? So definitely your x is 3 times 3 is 9. So that means ratio 2 and 3, you will have 6 and 9 here. Alright? Okay. We proceed to the next one. Okay. So, if I put here 3, 8 equals with 66x. Same thing also, 3 and 8. So 3 plus 8, you will have 11 here. So now you have 66 and x. Okay, so that means 66. Okay, you have to find here. Okay, so 66 you divide by 3, so you will have here 22. Okay, so here also you have to multiply with 22. Here also you have to multiply with 22. Alright, so here 11 times 22. Okay, you will have here 2 for 2. So now your x will be equals to what? When 8 multiply with 22, so your x will be 176. Alright, so now we proceed with problem solving. Okay, problem solving questions. I already prepared 4 questions here, so we focus on the question number 1 first. So, okay, now look at here. George has 45 marbles, so you put straight away here George. Alright, okay. George has 45 marbles. He shares them with his friend Ahmad. Say George and Ahmad. So the ratio is George and Ahmad. So, okay. So here we put total. Okay. Now, so we continue. He shares them with his friend Ahmad in the ratio 3:2. So we know here 3:2. So the total here will be 5. Alright. Okay, now. So how many marbles does each boy get? Okay, easy. Alright. So now George has 45 marbles. So that means the total here, okay, is 45. Okay. So now here 45 divide, because you don't know here, right? We don't know 5 times what number here equals to 45. So you can use 45 divided by 5, that means is a 9. When you multiply here 9, okay, so here also 9, you have to multiply 9. So 3 times 9 is 27. 2 times 9 is 18. So the total, from the total 45 marbles, George has 27 marbles and Ahmad have 18 marbles. See, the whole thing you can get from, from this method, you can get all answer. If the question asks you about how many George has marble, you can straight away get 27. If the question asks you about Ahmad, you straight away can get Ahmad. Alright? Okay. Settle question number 1. We proceed to the next one. Alright? Okay. Question number 2. $200 is to be shared among Ani, Andrew, and Amina. So write down the name first. Annie. Okay, Annie, Andrew, and Amina. Okay, so Amina here. So equals, I put T for total. Okay, so okay, in the ratio 3, 4, and 5. So you put here 3, 4, and 5. So the total will be 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Alright. So now, how much will each child receive? Okay. So now, we calculate. So here, we know you have $200. Alright. Okay. So now, we have to find. So how? So 200 you divide by 12, you will have here 16.67. Okay. Now, if here you multiply with 16.67, here also you have to multiply 16.67, 16.67, and here also multiply with 16.67. Alright. So now, 3 multiply with 16.67, you will have 50. Alright, 50. Okay, so I just put here 50. Okay, 50. Now, so 16.67 you multiply with 4, you will have here 66.68. Alright, okay, I put here. So the next one is 5. You multiply with 16.67. You will have here 83.35. Alright? So when you put all together, you calculate all together. 83 you plus with 66.68 plus 50.01. So you will cut with 66.68 you plus with 50.01, so you will have back $200. Okay. All right. Now, okay, we settle question number 2. We proceed to the next one. Okay, in the group of 3,200, okay, elderly people, the ratio of men to women, so men, I put M, okay, as a man, to women is 3, 5. So here we put total, okay. But we know the total already, right? So here is a 3,200, okay, see here, 3,200, the total now. So 5 plus 3, you will have 8. Alright? So now, okay, 3,200 divided by 8, you will have here 400. Okay? So that means you multiply with 400, you multiply with 400, and 400 also here. Okay? So the question asks you, calculate how many men are in the group. So we want to find out men. Okay, so now 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, so 5 times 4 is, see, 1,200 you plus with 2,000, you will have 3,200. So the question asks you about men. So we have men equals to 1,200. Easy? All right. Okay. Last question. The last one. Alright. Okay. A line 16 centimeter long is divided the ratio 3, 5. Okay, so you put here 3 and 5. We put here. Okay, so 3 plus 5 equals to 8. Correct? So now, okay, we have 16. Correct? 16 centimeter long. So we know here 8 times 2 equals to 16. So definitely the whole thing you have to multiply with number 2. Okay, so 5 times 2 you have 10. 3 times 2 you have 6. Okay, so each section we have 6 and 10. That's it. Alright, so that's all for today. I already explained about the ratio. Inshallah for the next video I will explain next chapter or any topic. Alright, inshallah. Assalamualaikum.